guys, welcome to Destinations Delight. Today we are going to make a simple meal in under 20 minutes with that leftover turkey that you have from Thanksgiving, with maybe some leftover stuffing and some gravy and some good old homemade mashed potatoes. Guys, this meal is so easy that even a kid can make it. So sit back, relax, and we hope that you
enjoy
this video, guys. See you soon. Alrighty, guys, so in this video, you are going to need 3 cans of the roasted turkey gravy. You're going to need 2 to 1 bag, depending upon the size that you're going to make, of instant mashed potatoes or leftover mashed potatoes from your Thanksgiving dinner. You're going to also have your leftover stuffing, guys. That's right. This is going to be your first layer that you're going to put down inside your turkey stuffing casserole. And then you're probably thinking, what do you need the gravy for? And what's the main ingredient? Well, guys, the main ingredient is right here. You're going to take this, shred it up finely, and you're going to add it to your good old turkey gravy. And you're going to let that cook on the stove for about 5 minutes till it gets nice and warm.
Pull up.
Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, that is how your shredded turkey should look. So we're moving on to the next, and the next will be adding the gravy. Alrighty, guys, and there you go. There is the gravy with the chicken. We're going to put it on the stove like you see here on a high for just a few minutes to get that warmed up. I'm going to come back. I'm going to go ahead. Guys, we all know how to make instant mashed potatoes. It's not that hard to figure out. And you all know how to make boxes of stovetop stuffing. So I'm going to go ahead and make this up. And then when it comes to doing our dish, I will show you everything else that you are going to need. See you guys soon. Alrighty, guys. So now we bring out your casserole dish. Doesn't matter what size. It's all up to you. First, you're going to take your stuffing. And you're going to put it on the bottom. And you're going to make a layer of this on the bottom of the pan. And I'll show you what that looks like as soon as we're done. And you got to remember, stuffing doesn't really spread the best. So do your best at getting it layered out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so your layer of stuffing should look like that on the bottom of your pan. Next, you're going to add a layer of potatoes. This is also good for anybody that is traveling in an RV or anything, and you guys have a small oven or a convection oven. This is an easy meal idea for any of those little leftovers and you're just not sure what to do with. So now that you got your layer of potatoes in there, and the layer of potatoes, as you can see, is just like that. We are going to go ahead and add our layer of gravy on there with the turkey. got to get out the ladle. And this you're just going to spread evenly across the mashed potatoes. Like as you see in the dish. Let me see if I can drop it down just a little bit. See that? So good. Smells amazing. Then you're going to top it back off with your final stuffing mix. And guys, this doesn't have to be perfect on the top. This just gives it a breaded topping. And it's kind of going to look like what you see. Like that. Now you're going to take it from here and you're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about a half hour. And then we will come back to you in a bit. Alrighty guys, there you have it. Stuffing casserole. 30 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. Let's dish this up and get an opinion about how it tastes. Alrighty, guys, here she is taking the first bite. And she says, it's hot. It's very hot. Let's let her chew for a minute. And she blows out her food in her mouth. Miss O's doing a really good job. Miss Owen, tell them what you topped yours with.
Oh, that's hot. Salt and pepper.
Okay, because I did not put it in anything, guys. So, Miss O, give your honest opinion on the stuffing casserole.
It's pretty good.
And would you recommend it?
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, there you have it. Miss O with the stuffing casserole. So if you like this vlog, don't forget to give it a
thumbs up.
And hit that
subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. And until next time, bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.